The Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub makes maintenance easier and more affordable. And now Shell's new partnership with Spiffy adds mobile maintenance to the menu.
What exactly is Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub? Because it's a relative new offer for us as well that we just added, last year. So think of it this way: it's really an online portal that provides fleet managers access to all the data relative to maintenance. So with that, it is again a data maintenance portal, but it's also access for all users to be able to know when maintenance is due, schedule that maintenance, approve that maintenance, pay for that maintenance, and then again that data will flow into a repository that they can actually use that and understand that and be able to manage their fleets better. Probably the biggest advantage too is also it's pre-pricing. So it's established pricing with 20,000 plus outlets, repair outlets, and savings could be in the range of 24, 25, 26% off of what they would pay if they just showed up one of those sites. I know we were just talking about our Fleet Maintenance Hub, and one of the things that we heard loud and clear, and again, we just launched this last year, there was a big desire and a need for mobile maintenance. So we've just announced that we've added a partnership with Spiffy. So Spiffy comes into the Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub to offer those mobile maintenance services to fleets. That could be everything. I mean, Spiffy does, think about when fleets bring vehicles in, there's a lot of work that has to be done to get those vehicles ready to come into the fleet. They can provide those, on site. They also do typical on-site preventive maintenance, everything from, it could be washes, oil changes, tires, chip repair, all those kind of regular preventive maintenance items. And then when a fleet needs to take the vehicles out of service, Spiffy also offers those type of services as well to get those vehicles ready to go to auction. So again, mobile maintenance, that was part of our Fleet Maintenance Hub and something that our customers asked for. And we just announced this partnership with Spiffy just this past month. Again, a lot of great things that we're doing, Fleet Solutions, a lot of things coming. Maybe one of the suggestions I might give is just go check out our website. We got a lot of information there. And probably the easiest way to tell you to get to it, just go to your favorite search engine, type in Shell Fleet Solutions US. It'll direct you to shellus.com and directly to Fleet Solutions. And you'll read everything about our portfolio. You'll read about Fleet Maintenance Hub and about telematics that are coming. And as we come out with these new products and services, we'll always put them on our website as well. So yeah, that might be a good resource for your readers as well.